Frustrated with a broken furnace this winter? Wouldn't it be great to have an HVAC service you can trust? One that truly cares about your comfort? Meet All Climate Solutions. We provide honest, reliable, and affordable HVAC service. No upsells, just quality solutions when you need them. How it works. At All Climate Solutions, we focus on customer needs, offering transparent communication and competitive pricing. Plus, our expert technicians ensure reliable service every time. Choosing All Climate Solutions means fair pricing, quick responses, and a customer-first mindset. We tailor solutions to fit your budget. What our customers say. Sounds great. Call 531-777-8432 today.